Bilan. He is 17 years old. He lives in Lower Batingue. He loves to play mobile games and he enjoys reading a lot.
Her name is Lyra Prieto. She is 16 years old and she lives in San Antonio, Sibulan. She is our class president and she loves to sing.
This is Sean Meldrix Alegre. He is 17 years old and he lives in Bolok-Bolok, Sibulan. He loves to play baseball and he is always laughing.
This is Carl Johan Banquet. He is 16 years old. He lives in Sibulan. He loves to play basketball after school.
Her name is Lady Jane Juarez. She is 16 years old. She lives in Kamanhak. She loves cleaning and she always on her phone.